having a second empowerment program for youth that will have gotten some skills on our next schedule.
Ekigombe eki kitandikirwaho abeegi kuruga mu universities zitari zimwe na zimwe omu ihanga abakuruga mu Greater Kamwenge kandi aba babanize no kuyonja town ya Kamwenge batyo babyara omuntu gw'ekirukizo aha district nk'akabonero ko kurwanira eby'obuhangwa.
Itwegire ngu how can the youth benefit from presidential initiatives to fight unemployment. Tufunira abana bingi bakuruga university bakabura icyo gukora, but under this assembly and under this event, we are going to have leaders from different spheres that will come and sensitize kumanyisa youth ni babasa kukora ki bamara university ni babasa ku benefiting abata from government programs.
Aba niboreka kuba kwija kurwanirira abashomere hamwe n'abatashomere kutunga emirimo.
They are the age that lead the youngest population in Africa. The question is why? What causes that? So with the youth, we feel inferior. I don't have the money to do this and this. Leadership is for the rich. A poor Moses will not manage to compete.
Ntuwachira youth bona abakushoma n'abatakushoma abakuba tuza kufunaho abagamba barabenu bagaidinga n'abantu abataragire mu shomero kufuna the formal education yetu kugamba konka babase kufubegesa how can they join vocational institutes, how can they add skills babasa kuganyirwamo bata nabasa kutandikaho ki akagira ngo nabati aza kuronda emirimo.
Omuringo ngo gumwe Joseph Karungi ori mukuru w'entebe ya gatano habwa district ya Kamwenge nagira ngo hariho umugisha muhango go kwere emyeto kwetungura kuruga ha district egi.
Netwija kugaba hihi miliyoni 10 n'omushobo aha groups zitari zimwe na zimwe z'emyeto. So ezo sente zigenderere kugira ngo emyeto tunge entandikwa bekozese bagire business. Ebyo ntubasa kubikora nka government okurundana ba youth omu groups bakore businesses cyonka individually also omuntu nobasa kutandika mpora oyombeke business yawe mpora.
Ekigombe eki kyasirirwe Bishop George K. Turyasingura wa East Rwenzori kandi ogu ashabire emyeto obuteye kwata kubi.
Ngashimura yetantare ninte ebikwita emyeto. Icyo kubanza sexual immorality. Ngomanya kumuri kuvugana amwari wanakemyeto. Idesha akumuri kurebana. Timuri kugamba konke mitima yande kirebe ibindi.
Makuraga gashakwa Sharif Murungi abwa Sky TV ya Genshonga omuri Kamwenge.